If you've ever wondered how to create a stunning viral AI influencer and blow up your social media presence, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to make an AI influencer come to life, step by step, from generating the face to creating viral dancing videos and photos. Stick with me till the end, and let's build something amazing together. Alright, first things first, we need a face for our AI influencer. Now, the tool we're using for this is called Artflow, and trust me, it's super simple and gets the job done fast. Here's what you do. Head over to the Artflow website. Click on Image Studio, then hit Create New Image. Type in a prompt that will give you the vibe of the influencer you want. You can totally customize it to your liking. Once you're done, hit Generate, and boom, you'll get a bunch of results. The results look amazing, right? Pick the two that stand out the most, download them. I've already grabbed mine, and we're good to go. Next up, let's make her dance. To do that, we need a dancing video. Here's how you get it. Head to TikTok or Instagram and search for a dance video featuring a girl. Download the video that suits your vibe. I'm going with this one right here. Copy the link of the video, then go to Google and search for a TikTok video downloader. Choose one that removes the watermark. Paste the link into the downloader and hit download. Now we have the perfect dance video ready for our AI influencer. Now for the fun part, let's combine that dancing video with the AI face we created. We'll use Magic Hour for this. Open up Magic Hour and click on Free Face Swap. Select Video Face Swap from the options. Upload the video you downloaded, then upload your AI influencer face. Hit Swap Face and watch the magic happen. Once it's done, download the video and check out the results. Look at how well it blends the AI face with the dancing. It's so seamless. I'm amazed at how real it looks. Now that we've got the video, let's move on to creating stunning photos for Instagram. We're going to use Artflow again to generate images. Go back to Artflow. Type in something like a beautiful girl in a coffee shop or whatever vibe you're going for. Select realistic as the art style and hit generate. Choose the image you like best and download it. Then we'll do a quick face swap with Magic Hour. Open up Magic Hour and switch to photo face swap. Upload the image you just downloaded and your AI influencer face. Hit generate, and once it's ready, download the new photo. Check out how stunning these images look. Honestly, I can't believe how real these AI influencers can appear. Of course, you'll probably need to remove watermarks from the images. There are two ways to do this. You can simply crop the watermark out if it's in a corner, or you can use an online eraser tool. Just search eraser tool on Google, upload your image, highlight the watermark area, and hit remove objects. Done. Download your clean watermark-free image, and you're all set. Extra tip for complex poses. Here's an extra tip. If you're planning to create your AI influencer doing something complex, like yoga, it's a good idea to use a reference photo from Pinterest. AI can struggle with more difficult poses, so having a reference helps a lot. Before uploading to Instagram, make sure your image is in 4K. Instagram tends to reduce the quality, but with an upscale, you can maintain the stunning look. To do this, use CapCut's Enhance Photo feature. Upload your image, select 4K resolution, hit upscale, and download the final product. Now you've got an amazing, high-quality image ready to post. Congrats! You now have a stunning AI influencer with high-quality photos and videos, ready to take over Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform you choose. The AI trend is only going to keep growing, and with the tools I've shared today, you can start making money from your influencer too. Don't wait too long, this is your moment. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Grow with ESA so you never miss out on what's coming next. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep growing together. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.